Hi, this is the overclocking guide and also I guess the PUBG gameplay at the same time. So basically, one second. Basically, today I checked an article of TechTownRight.com. And yeah, the review on the 2200G and the 2400G about overclocking the graphics card, well, the iGPU actually, and the CPU at the same time. And they pointed out AMD told them to try 1500 megahertz on the iGPU with 1.2 point volts on the this thing called APU GFX Voltage. Anyways, to sum it up, actually the results on PUBG went from being barely playable to actually really playable on 720p, 100% UI scale, very low settings, or either 1080p, very low settings, but at 70 screen resolution UI scale. Some few things though that you will check on the gameplay. Some parts that actually kind of I'm a little bit worried about. It's actually the first temperatures. GPU and CPU temperatures within the I guess acceptable temperatures, 70 to 80 degrees tops within my tests for a couple of hours. But the thing that actually worried me the most was the VSOC MOSFET temperatures. We have right now a B30M Gaming 3, Gigabyte AB B350M Gaming 3 motherboard with us for the tests. The BRM MOSFETs were fine, but the VSOC MOSFETs came up to 98 degrees Celsius. So yeah, that's a little bit worrisome. It's got a little bit too hot. One thing though, that the motherboard doesn't have a heatsink on the VSOC MOSFET, any part of it, just on the vCore. But that's another topic to worry about. But I guess it's not TJ Max on the MOSFETs. I guess the TJ Max on these MOSFETs are around 110, maybe 120 to 130 degrees Celsius. I don't have the spec sheets on the B350 motherboard. Anyway, so the only thing I've changed apart from the overclock settings, it's pretty easy actually to overclock the iGPU. First things first, I actually locked the Freq CPU frequency to 3.7 since there's some kind of glitches on the frequency right now. So I just locked them to 3.7. And the other thing is it's 1500 megahertz on the iGPU. And 1.2, just like it's easy, just dial up the numbers and just press apply. Easy as that. Personally, I don't like Ryzen Master, but right now it's kind of glitchy doing this on BIOS, so you can do it through Ryzen Master. Plus, it's UI friendly. It's really easy for first start overclockers, so there's not too much problem. All right, we'll go right now into the gameplay. Yeah, welcome to the second part of this video. It's been many attempts actually to go to do this video. So anyways, let's go to the use information. Configuration settings, 720p, screen scale 100%, all very low. This is a baseline. You could probably dial some of the settings to go a little bit better looking, but I wouldn't push it too much. I've tried also 1080p resolution with the screen scale 70%. I've seen lower FPS this way, so actually I'm sticking up to 720p for now. What else? One thing I would say that you should check up right now is the VSOC MOSFET. The VRM MOSFETs are fine, but the VSOC, the VSOC is the part that actually handles everything except the CPU, which includes the APU. So yeah, that's actually going a little bit high. On the first part I talked about it, about the temperatures on the VSOC. I wouldn't worry a lot, but yeah, it's a little bit high, more than I would like it to be. Yeah, let's go jump into the game. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can just leave a comment down, or you can like this video if you liked it, or you can subscribe if you want. Most of my content is in Spanish, but yeah, I can actually talk both languages, so you can actually go ahead and ask any questions.
Thank you.
See you around.
Os viadinhos, né, mano?
Caralho, tá deitado! Ih, caraca!
Preparamos este vídeo pensando em sua segurança durante todo o voo. Para iniciarmos a viagem, por favor, afivele o cinto de segurança, encaixando as extremidades e puxando a tira para ajustar. Para soltar, levante a face externa da fivela. Em caso de emergência, luzes no piso e no teto indicarão as 8 saídas, que são 4 portas de cada lado da aeronave. Olhe ao seu redor